I'm gonna test out Too Good To Go. It's an app where you can buy food from restaurants or bakeries. It's the leftover food they have for the day, for when they give it out for super cheap, but it's like a surprise thing. I'm in Paris right now. It's all over the world, but I see that on the map. It's also showing that even hotels have Too Good To Go surprise packages, and I think it's like the leftover food from breakfast, which is a great way to, like, save money. So I'm getting my surprise bag from a bakery. It said that the stuff that I'm getting is worth 12 euros, but I only paid like $3.99. Put a screenshot in here. And I had to reserve this yesterday for today, and it can have anything in it. It can have like a bread of loaf, or maybe a whole cake. Who knows? And I think also some groceries do them too. It's probably like the pastry section in the groceries, but yeah, let's see how that goes. Oh my god, hands full. They even give us a salmon sandwich. They even wanted to give us 2 baguettes.
It has also other
There's something in here too. There's so much stuff. We're gonna have to go back to the hotel. I thought I carry it to my next location, but they even wanted to give us 2 baguettes. I'm like, I'm sorry, I can't take it. Oh my god.
Okay.
This is what we got for $3.99, plus like they were gonna give us 2 baguettes. This is tuna sandwich. This is smoked salmon sandwich. 2 of these, 2 of the regular ones.
It's like Crawfin.
And 2 chocolate ones. And it's still soft. And 2 bags of these. They're like really light, fluffy something. Oh. For $3.99? $3.99 in Paris.
It's like a clear,
like shoe
no.
And $3.99. Are you kidding me? I don't know if they give this much to everyone, but this was my very first time. Maybe there was something about the code that I'm a first timer, but I definitely want to try out different places again. So Too Good To Go app. I actually just saw the price for these. $5.60 for a tuna and $5.90 for the smoked salmon. It's pretty big, about for long. Today I'm doing it again, but this time it's a little bit more pricier. It's gonna be $5.99. I think the place is a little bit fancier than the previous one, but yesterday was amazing. So we'll see what we get today. But my friend told me that Paris is very generous with their Too Good To Go surprise packages. This is where we're going. And this is it, $5.99. This is a fruit salad. Just didn't want it to spill, so it is a, I don't know, fruit salad. I mean, it's good. I'll film the rest later. This is what we got: half a loaf of bread, a smoked salmon sandwich, a croissant, pain au chocolat, and a raspberry tart pastry thing. Nice. I'm gonna save this for breakfast tomorrow. And there's mold on that blackberry. I want to answer some things in case you have a question with some screenshots. You will not know exactly what you're gonna get, but there should be a brief description of the things that will be included. Also, there are limited slots. Hotel 10 Opera, that's a breakfast pickup from my hotel for €2.49. So definitely like breakfast leftovers. And for each like restaurant or bakery, they have slots, like maybe just 5 available pickups. Usually for the bakeries, it's the next day, so you reserve it the day before, so they can like pre-pack your stuff for arrival. And also there are restaurants and grocery stores. This is the Eric Kaiser where I got the moldy thing, but it was fine. That was $5.99. And then my friend was in California. I was asking about it, and I sent her some screenshot what I can find in her area. There is sushi places. Oh no, this is actually from Nice, France. That's a grocery store. So for groceries, you can pick up like leftover fruits, vegetables, and I even saw that they have like leftover pickups for farmers market, and you buy it by the pound. And this is in California, so there's a boba place, there is like a fish grill, not a big variety, but there's also Whole Foods. You can get Whole Foods pickup from their bakery section. I think that's $6.99 for like a surprise bag, but that is how I discovered this app. I think that's great. And it's just fun. Like, you can try different locations. However, just know that it's probably gonna be things that you would not normally pick. Like, I would not pick the tuna sandwich from the first location, but it was still really good. So it's definitely like fun to try out. Or if you are really budgeting, then it's great. I'm also gonna be trying this out in Nice, France.